Alright, today guys I'm just going to show you how to remove a front bumper for BMW F30. First, remove the tire. You remove this cover right here guys, which covers the front part of the tire. You move for both of the sides. This is a BMW F30. So you take the front right and front left, and then you take this Torx 25, which are on the top all the way. And guys, the one which are inside, the one for the cover, those are 8mm. So you get them or you get them out together, the front part, and then you get the passenger and the driver side. And then guys, you have to remove 3 connections. The first one goes to the parking sensors. That's the first one, which is going to be on the passenger side, so you take it out. And then the second one will be for your fog light, and then the other one, the last one, will be for the fog light for the passenger, for the driver side. So guys, practically we have to remove our 3 connections. That's one, and these are the 2 which is going to be on the passenger side. And then once that's done guys, you just remove the 8mm. We are going to be on the plastic cover. And then you have to remove guys also the bolts on the connecting the bumper to the body, which is right here to the trim. Those are 8mm too. There are 2 of them, both sides, so that's like 4. Once that guys is done, your bumper should be able to move like that. It should be able to come out like that. So once that's out like that guys, make sure you remove what's on top there, like everything on top. So once that is done, you cross check both sides open, and then you can just remove it from the center. Then you hold firmly and you can pull it out, and then the bumper will be out. So the fog lights will come out with the bumper, and the sensors will come out too. So guys, in summary, this is just a short.
Alright guys, the important thing, so guys, in summary, you have to remove these 2 bolts right here. You remove 1 bolt right here, you remove 1 bolt on the side, and then the rest are going to be down here. So you do this for this side too guys. You remove 2 bolts right there, and then there's 1 bolt right there, and then there's bolts to the side. And then guys, here they are going to be 2 bolts. They're going to be 8 Torx, and they will be long in size. So this is the side which is holding next to the headlights. So guys, these are the 2 bolts which goes next to the headlights to hold the bumper up. Now right here guys, these are the fog lights. The fog lights, this is the left side. Now when you come here, this is the right light fog lights. So all the fog lights guys is the one we just showed you right now. And then guys, when you come up here, these are the Torx 25. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 of them. And then these are the 2 to the side. And then guys, again, these are the 2 to the side. Okay guys, one last thing to note, these covers, the lower covers, you have to remove all of them. Like in the case of mine, one side didn't have a cover, so I had to remove this lower side from the side, and then it had to come out with the cover. There's a center cover which is going to be somewhere here. You have to remove it out. Once that is out guys, this light is this bumper is ready to come out. Alright guys, you remove 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 8mm bolts. So you can you have to remove this thing guys, which is going to be in the center here, and then it should be able to be free. Then it should be able to come out from right here guys. It should be able to come out. Then once it's out, you're good to go.